The installation part for the iMow robotic lawnmower is crucial. Obviously we're trying to minimize the areas that need to be, we're trying to get that iMow to get as close as it can to the curb or to landscaping, anything to try to eliminate having to trim with a weed trimmer. In this scenario here, we ran along the curbing as close as we could so the wheel would actually ride on the curbing. That part of it's been working out good. What we did run into is by the mailbox here, it's a pretty tight area for the iMow to sneak through. And when the hood comes in contact with objects, the iMow will turn away and try to head a different direction to avoid the obstacle. In this scenario, the 3 times it went through, it bounced through okay, kind of hitting here and bouncing here and then turning off the curb and going back. We just recently had a scenario here where the iMow hit the mailbox, came to the curb, tried to go again, bump the mailbox again, and decided to do a total 180 turn. So it actually turned up over the wire here, and the front caster wheels dropped off the curb. So just a good cautionary item when you are placing this along where you maybe have drop-offs or slopes, to think about that scenario happening, to make sure that this wire, rather than being here where we got it right along the curb by this mailbox in this situation, we're probably going to want to get it out a few more inches further. So it's going to make some challenges, because now you're going to have the iMow probably bump somewhere in here, turn and come out. So there may be a little patch of grass here around the mailbox that's not going to get cut. However, you already do need to trim to begin with, because it's not going to get some of this real close. So just a little minor adjustment here to the wire, and that'll prevent it from falling off the curb. For more iMow tips, please subscribe to this channel or visit imowforyou.com.